when these allegations came out in June, people were relatively shocked because Messi is not one of these bling-bling footballers who's always in the pages of Hello magazine. He's not one of those footballers seen to be extravagant and leading a lifestyle with plenty of women. He's seen as hardworking, humble, somebody who came up from the youth team in Barcelona. That said, many people do believe his defence at the moment, and many people are still treating him as a hero. As you could see from those scenes, when he arrived at the court, he was being greeted with cries of champion, champion. Many of his Barcelona fans have stood by him and think that essentially what happened was that he let tax advisors run his affairs for him. He knew nothing about it, and that something may have gone wrong.
Sarah, what's the worst punishment Messi could face? Are we talking jail time?
Well, in theory, he could risk a jail sentence, but it looks increasingly unlikely. The defence lawyers have already made a corrective payment into the court of €5 million, which essentially would cover the amount that the tax authority claims was not paid, plus interest. And it looks at this stage that the strategy of the defence is to negotiate an out-of-court settlement, which would mean perhaps a stiff fine of perhaps €2 million on top of what was not paid. That looks like the strategy at the moment. Of course, the investigating magistrate could decide that regardless of that out-of-court settlement, he might want to push ahead with the case. But the strategy is to try to avoid Messi going into an unseemly trial.